Here's a step-by-step guide on how to help your friends with their finances. Step 1. Start a conversation. Initiate a conversation with your friends about finances in a casual and non-judgmental way. Expressing your willingness to help and offering your support without imposing will help them open up to you. Step 2. Listen and understand. Listen attentively to your friends' financial concerns, goals, and challenges. Understanding their specific situation will help you provide more relevant and personalized assistance. Step 3. Offer resources and information. Share useful resources such as articles, books, or online tools that can help your friends improve their financial literacy and make informed decisions. Step 4. Provide practical advice. Offer practical advice based on your own experiences or knowledge. This could include tips on budgeting, saving, investing, managing debt, or improving credit scores. Step 5. Help create a financial plan. Assist your friends in creating a realistic financial plan tailored to their goals and circumstances. Break down the plan into manageable steps and provide guidance on how to execute it effectively. Step 6. Encourage accountability. Encourage your friends to stay accountable to their financial goals by regularly checking in on their progress, offering encouragement, and providing gentle reminders when needed. Step 7. Be supportive. Offer emotional support and encouragement throughout their financial journey. Celebrate their successes and provide reassurance during setbacks or challenges. Step 8. Respect boundaries. Respect your friends' privacy and boundaries when discussing financial matters. Avoid pressuring them or prying into sensitive areas they may not be comfortable sharing. Step 9. Lead by example. Lead by example and demonstrate healthy financial habits in your own life. Your positive actions may inspire your friends to adopt similar practices. Step 10. Know when to seek professional help. Recognize when your friend's financial situation requires professional assistance beyond your expertise. Encourage them to consult with financial advisors. By following these steps, you can effectively support your friends in improving their financial well-being and achieving their financial goals. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to help your friends with their finances. Step 1.